guys, welcome back to my channel. Jada. Let me stop. I'm gonna do it the right way. Jacket. So for today's video, I am gonna be doing, by the title, a Jackie Aina makeup tutorial. So yeah, I've been seeing people doing this, like with Jeffree Star and Tana, and the person who started it was Thomas, I think. Yeah, so I just wanted to do a video replicating one of Jackie Aina's makeup looks because like I just feel like she's so out of the box and her personality is amazing. So I was like, let me try and do one of her makeup videos because like I've never done that. So I'm just gonna start right now. So Jackie Aina's skin is oily and mine is dry, so we're gonna see how this works, okay? If you guys see me looking that way, it's because I'm like watching the video from my Xbox.
Girl friendly combination, skin friendly. I just want to show you guys that you can get that look even if you already have oil.
Tell them.
So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss new uploads. The button is right there. It's right there. Or maybe it's here. I don't know. I'm going to be using almost all, with the exception of like one product, drugstore and inexpensive products to create this look. I'm excited. I'm gonna be trying some new stuff in this video.
Oh wait. Well, I don't know what primer she was using, I'm gonna be honest, so I'm just gonna use my Smashbox primer. I always use this. Don't mind me, guys. So she puts it in her T-zone.
Have no fear, that disappears once you put the foundation on. This is a really good primer for those of us that have oily skin. Remember that one product I told you I was gonna cheat with? It's the setting powder. There's no other powder on the market.
I'm gonna use Ben Nye because I don't have Sacha Buttercup, and I don't know. Let's see how this works. I don't know what she used to blend it out, but like I could just, I don't know. I'm just gonna do this. Okay, it's all good. Like it's all good. Now that I look like a ghost.
I'm gonna take my actual foundation and go back to my real actual color. This is
okay, so if you guys have been watching my channel, you'd know that I always start with my eyes first, and Jackie starts with her face first, and I just cannot. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 330 Toffee Caramel, and this is the matte one. I was stupid when I got this foundation. I did go and get the dewy smooth one, but I ran out of that yesterday. So I'm going to be using the matte and poreless one, and let's see how that looks on me. I used this earlier, don't judge me.
I don't want to see none of y'all mixing equal parts Far Solid with your foundation like the dry skin girls are doing, okay? We can't do that.
This just seems harder to do for some reason.
Once you shear out the foundation in the areas that you get the most shine. So for me, that's my forehead, so I'm going to put the least amount.
I don't know how to feel. I need more foundation. Yeah, I have a big face.
Do you want color?
Come for me.
Wouldn't be a Jackie O look without a little bit of scope. Using my
But guys, is it just me or it looks like I have no pores? I don't know. Is it me? Like, don't worry about my nose. My nose is just like really, I don't know. But right here, oh, sorry for flicking you guys off, but right here it just looks like I don't have any pores. It's actually ridiculous. So I'm gonna use this LA Girl concealer in Dark Cocoa.
Using the NYX HD concealer.
It's uneven. The heck?
The one that I use is Nutmeg as a highlight, and I'm not.
Okay, for concealer, I'm gonna use LA Girl Fawn to conceal with Pure Beige from LA Girl. Cause you know we need to get that highlight though.
No problem. Didn't get enough sleep last night. No big deal. Stayed up all night doing midterms. No one's gonna know. I remember trying this concealer for the first time and being like, oh, this is what I was missing out on. Okay, good looking out, y'all.
I have my Real Technique sponge, and I'm just gonna blend this out.
Their trio sponge set. I love them. They're so soft. Like, you want to press all of this into the skin so you don't shear it out unless you want to, of course.
My under eyes look amazing. All right, what's next, Jackie? I gotta blend this out. Oh God. Do you see why I don't use this product? Do you see why? The heck? It's literally not moving.
concealer.
That took me a year.
Almost always do this.
This is my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in shade 25. I'm not going to put a lot because it's really light.
Get more coverage. When you just go right in and attack when the concealer is still wet, it's too late. It's brown.
And so she lets it dry, so I'm going to let it dry.
And it also shears out a little bit. So let that concealer dry. Don't be shy. Set it with the Sacha Buttercup or whatever.
What bags?
I'm just
Okay, so I'm going to set my under eyes with my Ben Nye.
So I'm going to keep that just under the eyes and not set anywhere else, just because obviously we want that shine today. A look like this is more focused on the skin.
I think I look so cakey. Like, is it just me? But it's cool. She looks good.
Blackest brown first, and then I'm going to fill in with chocolate brown after that. Or wait, brunette. It's called brunette. Oh, you know what? I forgot. I wanted to condition my lips with this moisture lock from Milani.
Okay, so she's moisturizing her lips with this really cool thing, and I have a really cool thing too. Carmex! I'm gonna moisturize my lips too.
A lot of them don't run dark enough to really define my brows, so when I saw black
wonderful.
Brown, I was like, oh.
So I have this old thing that I got from the drugstore about 3 years ago. I'm joking, 2 years. I don't use brow pencils.
This brow is not about to play with y'all. For the eyes, you need a concealer that's lighter than your skin tone, especially if you have a really hard time getting eyeshadow colors to pop. I'm gonna use pure beige and kind of clean up my brows while priming my lids at the same time. Which, by the way, if you've never tried LA Girl Pro as a foundation, who you was missing out. You really are missing out. Who are you missing out? Take your sponge and blend that in. You can extend that all the way up to your brow bone too if you want like a little highlight. It's Judy time! Who is such a sweetheart, by the way. If you guys don't watch her videos,
I don't know if she set her eyelids because she didn't say that.
This is the eyeshadow,
but I think it needs setting. No, it's okay. But for my eye look, I'm gonna use a Luxie 249 brush. But I'm gonna use this palette. Look at this palette, guys. Look at this palette. It's called Eye Essentials. I don't know what brand. I'm gonna use this brown color. With this NYX blending brush, which is amazing, by the way. And then she takes it down here too. And the color so far, banging. There's two dark browns in this palette. One of them is more of a cool brown, and this one's slightly warmer. I'm gonna take the slightly warmer brown and just add a little bit more darkness to that. I'm gonna take like this color that looks purpley. For my lip color, I mixed. Whoa, she literally just skipped. A little bit of that one on top. She used like a dark bronzy gold. This one right here. And shout out to Bahi. I'm a big believer and a huge fan of this brand. Do you see this fallout? This is why I start with my eyes, guys. They really bring it and they really like try. They created this lash. It's called Aina by Jackie Aina. It was named after, I don't know, maybe. I'm gonna try using the gold color. The gold color and some of that like bronzy color. All the other amazing goodies that they sent me. They're in the $11 price range, so I figured, can that be considered drugstore? I looked up some for lashes, I'm gonna use my Eyelure lashes, and these are $121. So I'm gonna do that off camera, and I'll be right back. I swear she's obsessed. NYX Ultimate eyeshadow palette in Sugar High looks like reddish, so I'm gonna use that. Very tempting. It's not really showing, but it's okay. Okay, this is the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. Lash. We fluff them up a little bit. And then I'm also hitting my bottom lashes. Now I'm going to do something that I never do. I'm going to contour my nose. I'm going to take this Wet n Wild brush. It looks like this. I'm going to take this NYX Hydra Touch foundation powder and nutmeg. A little bit. I just really wanted to do something. I didn't even use a lot. I use this random powder brush. I don't know what brush it is. And I'm taking that contour, that foundation powder that I used before. Look how red it is. I guess because she uses powder under her foundation, she doesn't really set her foundation. Okay, so she used like a blush that is really, it looks like really light. And I have this NYX Sweet Cheeks palette. So I'm going to use this color and this color. NYX glitter in 02 because I felt like I lost some color, and Jackie is not showing us because I know she lost some color too. My Sephora illuminating thing, it's almost done. I'm gonna take this Sephora 204 brush. Hopefully this doesn't, okay, all right, never mind. This is a bad idea. Oh. Okay, this was a bad idea. This NYX Bright Idea Illuminating Stick. What shade? Which shade is this? Sunkissed Crush. Take my Carly Bible palette that I love so much, and I'm just gonna use this color, and I might just mix it in with this copper color. I don't know. Okay, now she's taking a lighter shade, and that's what I'm doing, and I'm going on top of this. So I don't have that spray, but I mixed my Urban Decay, my NYX Dewy Setting Spray, and Mario Badescu Rose Water in this, and that's what I'm gonna use. It's almost done. It's supposed to leave your face being setting full for the rest of the day while smelling good. So I'm gonna take this NYX lip lacquer in Natural, no liner. I'm gonna take this Avon Ultra Glaze Wear in shade Mocha Latte.
Not just wearing makeup without powder, but given the circumstances, I do it for the glow. I do it for the glow. Now, you may have to blot every couple hours for this look, but who really cares? It's cute, right? Did you like this glowy dewy makeup look? If you did, please tag me on Instagram if you recreate the look, or tag me on Twitter.
So this is the final look, and I've never done my makeup in this order or like this before, but I can tell you I have dry skin. Well, like, not the dry skin, but like it's more dry than oily, and it looks like I have no pores. Like, I'm not lying. Come closer. Yeah, it looks like I have no pores. After setting my face, my skin looks fake. It looks plastic. I like it, but yeah, I actually enjoyed this look. I'm not too crazy about the eyes because I have hooded eyes, so what eyeshadow? But I like it. You know what? I like the look, Jackie. It was beautiful, and I'm so happy I got to recreate this look. So if you guys do like this video, if you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up, guys. Remember, give it a thumbs up. Okay? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye!